Ano ba?
Tapos,
flashlight pa.
tanggal natin.
English.
Ito yung lens. Behind the iris is the lens.
Ay, sorry.
Lens.
Doctor, show your boots.
Sama-sama. Tapos, di ba iris? Behind that, ciliary processes of the forehead. Yung mga linya-linya. Tapos, Mr. Antolin. Ano to?
Dr. Santos,
Ito.
Vitreous.
Body.
Body.
Vitreous body. Ito, retina. Tapos, yan. Para may clue kayo kung saan yung optica na. Tingin yung likod. Optic disc. Sorry, optic disc. So, blind spot, optic disc. That's to the left, yung macula lutea.
Medial.
According to Borbe, yung lutea is yellow. That's why, ito yung macula lutea kasi yellow siya. Lutea means yellow.